Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. If you're interested in the Matrix 10, the link to it will be in the video description. So, also want to mention in that description, you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deal. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So we'll start with the vacuum up at the top. You can always wipe down the cover. Make sure there's no debris accumulating around the LiDAR module. We can look at it from the side. We have a sensor on the very front. So wipe that down as needed with just a microfiber cloth. On the back side here, this is where all the contents empty out of, so you can inspect that for any sort of debris. Charging contacts, you can wipe down that sensor as well too. And on this side, we have one more sensor on the side. Then we can open up the cover to reveal our dustbin right here. So you can wash and replace this filter as needed. And then inside, you can wash and rinse this out. Follow the instructions though. Give it 24 hours for everything to dry before using it again. So plan accordingly when you want to conduct your maintenance. And in here, you can just wipe this down. You could tip it upside down to dump any crumbs out. You get the idea there. And then underneath, we have a couple more sensors that you can wipe down. Detangle the side brush as needed. If this is worn out, you can just grab a screwdriver, pop this off, and put a new one on. We can also clean our main brush roller. You could rinse this off as well too if it's really dusty. You can wipe down in there. And this just clips right back on like so. Our mop pads are currently removed. And if you see the mop pads, we can just grab some out right here. These are washable and replaceable. So if you're not happy with the results in the station, or you just want a deeper clean with your own solution and stuff, you can always put this in your washing machine with your favorite cleaner. And you can wipe down in here with the mop pads removed. They're just installed magnetically. And then looking at our omnidirectional wheel, it just pops right off so we can detangle if there's any hair building up here. Just grab a little screwdriver. I just kind of pried it up from the side. It came off really easily. And then that'll just snap right back on. And then you can, investigate the wheels and the treads. You could grab a toothbrush if you need to clean anything in there. And then you can see our climbing area as well. Not much to it. Simple and straightforward to maintain this vacuum cleaner.